Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a Gantt chart that shows how many days taken on average between order date and ship date for delivering the products. So this small bar shows the duration. It means average time taken between order date and ship date is 5 days, and in the ship mode standard class and subcategory is appliances. And now I will remove everything and I will do from scratch. And let me delete this calculated field also. So first I will drag order date into column shelf and subcategory in row shelf, and then this ship mode I will keep it right of this subcategory, and in the column shelf right click on this year of order date and select day. So this view is quite cluttered, so I will limit this days. So keep pressing on Ctrl and drag this day of order date into filter shelf and select range of dates, then click on next, and I will limit this days to 3 months. So from January 1st 2022 to March 30 2022. So I will give 03. Okay, then click on OK. And now create a calculated field to get the duration between order date and ship date. So I will name this calculated field as days taken between order date and ship date. Days taken between order date and ship date, and I will add the calculation. I will use this date different function, and the date part is day, and I want the difference between order date and ship date. So order date dimension and ship date. Okay, now keep this calculated field in the size, and I want average days between order date and ship date. So right click on this drop down, select this measure and click on this average. So it will give average days time taken between order date and ship date, and then I will drag this ship mode into colors. So this is a Gantt chart showing the the days taken on average between order date and ship date. So this Gantt chart is used to show the duration of events or activities. You can use this Gantt chart to show average delivery time taken between order date and ship date. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.